Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. External memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, voice activation, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.